Hi designers! I'm going to be doing a demonstration video on how to draw the master suite for the 2019 Illinois FCCLA State Proficiency Event Interior Design Display. This year's client is Nathan and Elena. We have been hired to do their master suite, which includes their bedroom and their bathroom. We have not been told any information about the walk-in closet, so we will not be drawing the walk-in closet, but we are going to draw the doors to it. Some things to be aware of when we're drawing floor plans. We need to make sure that we are aware of the scale that we're working with. Our bedroom is 15 feet 2 inches wide and 12 feet 2 inches long. When I hold up a ruler, I can see that a half of an inch is equal to about 5 feet because I have an inch and a half and I know it's about 15 feet 2. So I have that scale in mind, which is a difficult scale to work with, but working together we're going to make this happen. I can also see that using that scale is accurate because my bathroom is about 5 feet wide. And for the purposes of today, we're also saying that our bathroom is 9 foot 2 inches long. That would leave a standard 3 foot wide linen closet. Other features that we're going to be drawing today are the entry door into the bedroom from the hallway, the door into the bathroom, as well as the walk-in closet and 2 matching windows. When we are done with today's demonstration, your floor plan will look like this. Ooh! But we're going to go one step at a time, and you can watch this video as many times as you need to make your floor plan. All right, let's get started. The first thing we need to be aware of are what tools can we use for today. We want to use a standard graph paper, and for this floor plan, we are going to use the scale 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. Every single square on this graph paper is 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. That equals 1 foot by 1 foot. You could use a ruler to measure 1/4 inch, or you could buy this at Michael's or on Amazon. This is an interior design stencil by Helix. It's a great purchase, especially for somebody that's very interested in interior design. What I really like about it is along the edge, it actually measures the squares for you. So it says 1 for 1 square. So it makes floor planning so easy. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I need to do is I'm going to be boxing out my bedroom and my bathroom. To start, I'm going to do a nice long line here, 5 feet wide, 15 feet 2 feet wide. So I'm going to take 5 plus 15 foot 2 equals 20 foot 2 inches. That's going to be my first line. Then I'm going to go up the side, down the hallway, come down, finish up my bathroom. Okay? And then at the end, I'll show you how to do some finishing touches. You always want to line up your stencil right along the blue line so they can help you keep nice and straight and neat and clean. I'm going to put a tick mark at my 0, and then I'm going to find number 20. There we go. And then I actually also need to do 2 inches, so I'm going to find 20. And from there, I need to go a little bit past 20 to accommodate the 2 inches. The next line to the right of my stencil is actually 3 inches. The second line after is 6 inches, and the third line is 9 inches. So I'm trying to accommodate the 2 inches without going crazy. From here, I'm just going to go tick mark to tick mark. Nice, clean, and straight. All right. Turning my paper, the next wall I'm drawing is the 12 foot 2 inch wall. Line it up. Find my 0 marker. Go to 12, and same thing, I need to accommodate the 2 inches, so I'm a little bit past the 12. There we go. Those of you that are competing, be aware that the judges do put rulers up to your floor plans. I am in the room while they're judging, but I cannot have a say in what they're judging, but they do put rulers up to them. All right. I'm on the opposite side of my room now. I'm drawing the Wall for the bathroom over here, the 9-foot 2-inch wall. This is a little bit more difficult. I'm going to find my 9 feet, and then I need to shift it over to accommodate the 2 inches. There we go. And it's just difficult because it's, you know, you're working in the opposite direction that you might be used to if you're a right-handed person like me. All right, 0 to 9'2", nice and clean, beautiful. Up at the top, my bathroom is 5 feet wide, so it's nice and easy. Tick mark, straight across. All right. Now, in our floor plan, I'm pretty sure this is a 3-foot linen closet. I don't know how deep it is. It's probably about 1.5 to 2 feet deep, but I don't have to worry about that because I need to just draw the 15-foot 2-inch line right here, and it'll make everything good. So I'm going to find my 15, shift it over just a little bit to accommodate for the 2 inches. There we go. Draw my tick mark. Try to stay on the blue lines. There we go. Draw my tick mark. And straight across. Alright. Turning my page. Now I can connect it. Yep, and it measures 3 feet. Beautiful. Alright. And then again, like your linen closet's right about here, and then this is the entrance into the other bedroom, but we do not have to draw that today. I'm going to pause this video for a moment so that I can shade in my walls, and here's what I mean by that. Notice how thick the walls are. Outside walls could be as much as 6 inches thick. That's about 1/2 of a square. Inside walls are probably about 3 inches thick. It's about 1/4 of a square. I'm going to pause the video and shade in all around my room, and I'll come back and show you what that looks like. All right, and we're back. So you can see that I have more thickness along the edges of my floor plan. I did some extra shading away from the wall because this is my exterior wall, and typically homes have significantly thicker outside walls, and that's just to keep you warmer or cooler depending on the climate of the space. And then I also thickened the walls all around the edge. As I was shading, I realized that I didn't finish my bathroom, so we're going to go ahead and finish that off. No problem. And I'll just show you real quick. This is how I shaded. Just trying to show some thickness. You don't want to get too crazy, but something to show some depth. All right, let's put our doors in. Standard door measurement is about 3 feet wide. You can't have the door right on the corner because you have to be able to hang the door. A standard door frame is about 3 inches wide, so you need to allow a little bit of space. If you really want it to be exact, remember that's going to be the very first line on your ruler. Our floor plan doesn't show us an exact measurement of that. We can just see that it kind of starts off the corner of it. So we're going to do our best to copy that. I'm going to erase. There we go. And remember, 1/2 of a square is about 6 inches, so I want it to be about, there we go. That looks good. I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to start from here because my door is coming in, so it's going to be moving down. Right here, there's 3 feet. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put my tick mark here. And I want to draw my wall back in there. And that's my opening. And now what I'm going to do is draw my door. Has to be 3 feet wide because the casing is, or the opening is 3 feet. I'm going to go ahead and draw my door. I want to keep it nice and straight. Draw my door. And that's why you do this in pencil, because if you make a mistake, no big deal. I'm going to give a little bit of depth to my door. There we go. Then I draw my opening lines, just a dashed line to show that it's opening into the bedroom. give some depth back to this wall. All right, we're gonna do the same thing with the bathroom. According to our floor plan, our door opens into the bathroom. So we're gonna do the same thing over here. You'll leave a little bit of space off of the wall. There we go. Go a little bit closer. All right. Right here. And from the opening to here is 3 feet. Beautiful. Draw the rest of my wall back in. And now I want to draw in my door. Okay. Just like that. Okay. And again, I'm going to draw my dashed line to show that this is where it's opening. All right, so we got 2 doors. Give a little bit of depth to this door. Doors aren't too thick for interior doors, maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches. So don't want it to be too thick, but I want to show that it exists. The last door that I need to draw is our closet door. And our closet door, we can see we kind of have like these folding doors. So we're going to try our best to accommodate that. I'm taking a best guess that the door is about 4.5 feet wide. A standard door entrance is 3 feet, and we can see that this is bigger, but it's not quite 6 feet wide. They didn't give us a measurement on where it starts. I'm going to take a best guess that it's about 2 feet in. So I know 1 square is 1 foot, 2 squares 2 feet, and I need to erase 4.5 of these squares. There we go. All right, I'm just gonna kind of box it off to show where this door is. Just making a dash. And then to show accordion doors, what you do is you show that they're bent and that they fold in, that they're bent, that they fold in. Okay, so there's our accordion doors. They're not perfect. You could redraw them if you'd like. And then the last thing we have to draw in are our windows. We have 2 windows. They're each 3.5 feet wide, and I'm going to draw each of them about 2 feet off of the side so that they're symmetrical, and they'll have about 5 feet of space in between them, which is perfect for fitting a bed. So I'm going to go 1 foot, 2 foot, and I need to erase 3 squares. Same thing over here. 1 foot, 2 foot. Erase 3 squares. And to show that it's a window, you kind of draw like a box to show that there's a glass box here now. And that break tells us that there is a window there. And the depth in your wall helps create that box. All right, so now we have our 3 doors, we have our 2 windows. Good practice is to make sure that you label your rooms with the dimensions and what they are. So here's my master bedroom, and it is 15 feet 2 inches by 12 feet 2 inches. And here's my bathroom, 5 feet by 9 feet 2 inches. I hope that you found this video helpful for you, and good luck designing the master bedroom for Nathan and Elena.